Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Web Gear Review. Today I would like to review the M1912 two-cell magazine pocket. It is 6 inches tall, 3 3/4 inches wide, and when I had clips in it, it'd puff up to about 1.5 inches or so. Now this pocket here, if you flip it over and look at the back of it, you'll see that it has this this strap on the back that is the same width as the pocket itself. This was designed originally that you would slide it over the buckle in on the left side of the mounted cartridge belt, and it would help it be tight, and when the clips are in there, and kind of stay in place on the belt, not be sliding around. Right here they added a snap. If you see down in there, you can see that that snap. They put the counterpart of that snap, the female, onto the belt, where that too could be snapped on there to help hold this thing in place. Now the identifying features of this here particular two-cell magazine pocket, see the puckered pockets here? They done away with that in 1918. See this V-shaped lid? They done away with that in 1918. Now, this little jewel here was made to hold one clip in each pocket, a 7-round magazine of the .45 caliber 1911 pistol. Here's the identifying marks. It's really hard to make any of them out. Now in 1918, they, like I said, they made some changes on this pouch. They done away with the puckers. They turned this V shape into a round shape, and they added these lift-to-dot fasteners here, which come out in March of 1917. That's why a lot of people will probably mistake this for a 1918 two-cell magazine pocket, but it's not. It's a 1912. This thing right now, at the time of this filming, is 107 years old. But in 1918, after they come out with the lift-to-dot fasteners, they reworked the existing 1912 pockets and added these lift-to-dot fasteners. Originally in 1912, this come out with the little small snaps on it. So this has been reworked, and the lift-to-dot fasteners have been added to this pouch. And so I hope you've enjoyed this review of my 107-year-old two-cell magazine pocket from World War I. And why don't you share in the comments of what kind of pouch you have, and let me know. Maybe we could discuss it. If you got any questions, why don't you please hit share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching the Web Gear Review.